Hello, my name is Jerry Zen, and I'm here to tell you what I learned in C++ Programming 1. My idea. This project was inspired by the fact that I like to play rock, paper, scissors before with my family. I stuck with it because I wanted to try to create a small game to play with my little brother. What did I learn and use for my project? During class, I learned about randomizing a number and if statements, which I used in my project. Number one is the randomizing a number. It first randomizes into any number. Then, by modding it by some number, you get a number with values under the number you are modding it by. Number two, if statements. This makes something happen when something else is true. If that statement is false, it moves on to the next part of the code. Code example. Here are some examples of those pieces of code. This code number one, the randomizing the number part. This part randomizes into any number. This part takes a variable and sets it to whatever number was randomized into and mods it by 3, making the number either 0, 1, or 2. This helps with the game because there are 3 options. 0 is rock, 1 is scissors, and 2 is paper. Code number 2, if statements. Code number 2, the first if states that if user equals computer, then it will print out that it is a tie. If this isn't true, then the next part will print out player wins if the second condition is true. And the third one will print out computer wins if that condition is also true. Here's a demo of the game. Favorite. My favorite part about working on this project was trying to make the randomizing work. It was fun working it out step by step, slowly progressing until I finally got it. At first, I could only make it work by typing in every single combination for a rock, paper, or scissors. Then, with a little help from my dad and teacher, I was able to find a better way to do it. How to improve my project. If I were to continue to work on this project, I would add number 1, prevent typing during time delays. This means that while the code is trying to figure out who won or if there is a tie, you shouldn't be able to type during this. This causes the game to bug out a little bit. Number 2, add GUI or animation. This could allow the code to feel more lively. Number 3, add more options for rock, paper, or scissors, as shown in this diagram. Here we have rock, fire, scissors, sponge, paper, air, and water. Thank you for listening to my presentation.